Welcome back to First Moveable Guitar Chords. This book focuses on 8 movable chord shapes. We're on page 17 and we have some more exercises combining movable major, minor, and dominant 7 chords. You can watch all these videos for free, but it's going to be a lot easier to learn if you have your own copy of First Moveable Guitar Chords that you can read from and write in. Plus you can help support a music teacher, so I'll leave a link in the description. At the top of page 17, we have exercise 24. This one combines the 3 movable chord types you've learned so far. That'll be major, minor, and dominant 7. We begin with a C sharp minor on string 6, so we need to find our C sharp note on string 6. That's our root. That'll be at the 9th fret, and because that's on the 6th string, that'll be the 6th string minor shape. And then we have an F sharp 7 on string 5. So we find our F sharp on string 5. That is also at the 9th fret, and that's the 5th string dominant 7 shape, placing our 3rd finger on that root. And then we have a B major on string 6. That'll be, the B will be on string 6, fret 7, and then we play our 6th string major shape for that. Now you're going to be playing this pattern all through this exercise. Minor on the 6th string, a dominant 7 on the 5th string, and a major back on the 6th string. We changed that B major to a B minor, so we're going to be in the same place on the same string, same fret. It's just a B minor, and for that one, remember, you just have to take away your 2nd finger. So your major, minor, take away that 2nd finger. And then we have an E7 on string 5. Our E note on string 5 is at the 7th fret. That'll be the 5th string dominant 7 shape with the 3rd finger on the root, to an A major on string 6. Your A note on string 6 is at the 5th fret, and we play our 6th string major shape. And then we change that A major at the end of the 1st line to an A minor at the beginning of the 2nd line. Again, this is on the 6th string. All we have to do is take away our 2nd finger, and now we have A minor, moving to D7 on string 5. The D note on string 5 is at the 5th fret, and that'll be with the 5th string dominant 7 shape. Moving to a G major on string 6. The G note on string 6 is at the 3rd fret, and that'll be with the 6th string major shape. And again, changing major to minor, we have G major to G minor, taking away our 2nd finger, just playing the same place. Moving to a C7 on string 5, that'll be at the 3rd fret, playing the 5th string dominant 7 shape. And then ending on F major on string 6. Your F note on string 6 for your root is going to be way down at the 1st fret, playing the 6th string major shape. Once you've figured out where you're going to play all those chords, go ahead and play the exercise. Play nice and slowly. It's not about speed, it's about finding these chords. C sharp minor, F sharp 7, B major. Change that to minor, E7, A major. Change that to minor, D7, G major. Change it to minor, C7, and F major. Exercise 25 on page 17. Again, we're going from minor to dominant 7 to major. We begin with a G minor on string 5, so we need to find our G note on string 5. That's going to be our root. That'll be at the 10th fret. Because our root note is on the 5th string, we play the 5th string minor shape. Moving to a C7 on string 6. So we find our C note on string 6. That'll be at the 8th fret. That's a 6th string root, so we're playing our 6th string dominant 7 shape. And then an F major on string 5. Our F note on string 5 is also on the 8th fret, it's just on the other string. And because that's on string 5, we play our 5th string major shape. And we're going to be playing that same pattern throughout. Minor, dominant 7 to major on string 5, 6, and then 5. And just like the other exercise, once you're finished playing that major chord at the end of the little 3-note sequence, you change it to a minor chord. So that was our F major chord. Change that to F minor. Same place, we're just changing it to the 5th string minor shape. And then a B flat 7 on string 6. So our B flat note on string 6 is at the 6th fret with the 6th string dominant 7 shape. Moving to an E flat major on string 5, our E flat note on string 5 is also at the 6th fret, and that will be with our 5th string major shape. Again, changing major to minor, we have E flat major going to E flat minor. So same place, just change it to the 5th string minor shape. Then A flat 7 on string 6. Our A flat note on string 6 is at the 4th fret. That'll be with the 6th string dominant 7 shape. And then a D flat major on string 5. Our D flat note on string 5 is also at the 4th fret. It's just on the 5th string instead. That'll be with the 5th string major shape. And then D flat major to C sharp minor. D flat and C sharp are enharmonically equivalent. In other words, here's my D flat, here's my C sharp. So we're just changing D flat major to C sharp minor, staying in the same fret, 5th string minor shape. And then F sharp 7 on string 6. That'll be with the F sharp note on string 6 at the 2nd fret with the 6th string dominant 7 shape. And then we have a B major on string 5. So our B note on string 5 is at the 2nd fret, and that'll be with the 5th string major shape. Now that you know where to play all those chords, go ahead and play through the exercise nice and slowly. G minor, C7, F major. Change that to F minor, B flat 7, E flat major. E flat minor, A flat 7, D flat major. Change it to minor, we're just calling it C sharp minor now. F sharp 7, and B major. In exercise 26, the chords jump around a little bit more. If you're into theory, we're playing 1, 6, 2, 5, 1 progressions in the key of G major and in C major. We begin with G major on string 6. So we need to find our G note on string 6. That'll be at the 3rd fret, playing our 6th string major shape. Moving to an E minor on string 5. That's going to be up at the 7th fret on the 5th string, with our 5th string minor shape. Remember those two shapes, this major shape that we're playing for the G and this minor shape that we're playing for the E minor, finger-wise they're the same configuration, we're just moving to a 5th string root instead. Then we have an A minor on string 6, so our A note on string 6 is at the 5th fret, playing our 6th string minor shape. And then a D7 on string 5, that'll be with the root on the D note on the 5th fret, 5th string, with the 5th string dominant 7 shape. And then back to the same G major that you played at the beginning. Then we change that G major to a G7 on the 6th string. So we have the same root, 3rd fret, 6th string. Now we're just playing the 6th string dominant 7 shape. And then in the second line, we're in the key of C now, and we have a C major on string 5. Our C note on string 5 for our root is at the 3rd fret. We're playing our 5th string major shape. To an A minor on string 6. This is the A minor that you played at the 5th fret in the second measure of this exercise. Moving to a D minor on string 5. That'll be with the D note on string 5, fret 5, with our 5th string minor shape. Moving to the same G7 that you played at the end of the first line, moving to the same C major that you played at the beginning of this line. And now we play the exercise. G major, E minor, A minor, D7, G major, changing it to G7, C major, A minor, D minor, G7, C. Our last exercise on page 17 is number 27, and for you theory geeks, this is also 1-6-2-5 progressions, this time in the key of E flat and then the key of A flat. We begin with E flat major on string 5, so we find our E flat root note on string 5. That'll be at the 6th fret. That's on the 5th string, so that's our 5th string major shape. Next, C minor on string 6. Our C note on string 6 is at the 8th fret, and that's a 6th string root, so 6th string minor shape. Moving to F minor on string 5. Your F is also at the 8th fret, it's just on the 5th string instead of the 6th string. That's a 5th string root, so that's our 5th string minor shape. Moving to B flat 7 on string 6. The B flat note on string 6 is at the 6th fret. That'll be with the 6th string dominant 7 shape. Then back to the same E flat you played at the beginning. We change this E flat into an E flat 7. So right now for the E flat major, your first finger is playing the root. For this E flat 7, you're going to need to switch to your third finger playing the root for this 5th string dominant 7 shape. And then next line, we move to A flat major on string 6. Your A flat note on string 6 is at the 4th fret. That'll be the 6th string major shape. Moving to F minor on string 5. Your F on string 5 is at the 8th fret. That's on the 5th string, so it's a 5th string minor shape. To B flat minor on string 6. The B flat note on string 6 is at the 6th fret, playing the 6th string minor shape. Moving to the same E flat 7 you played at the end of the first line, and then the same A flat major you played at the beginning of this line. And then play the exercise as slowly as you need to. Don't worry about speed, the speed will come with time. E flat major, C minor, F minor, B flat 7, E flat major, changing that to E flat 7, A flat major, F minor, B flat minor, E flat 7, and A flat major. Your assignment is to practice the exercises on page 17 and continue memorizing the notes on strings 5 and 6 as needed. Don't forget to order your own copy of First Moveable Guitar Chords. I'll leave a link in the description. Take your time with this, and then when you're ready, I'll see you on page 18. Over the next several pages, we're going to be playing songs that combine our movable major, minor, and dominant 7 shapes.